Experiencing an issue with the blower motor speed selection on a 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner? The most likely problem is the blower motor resistor has failed and will require replacement. Another common problem is the electrical connector/blower motor resistor pigtail connected to the blower motor resistor may have a short, causing the socket connection to melt. Because these parts are electrically and thermally interdependent, replacing the blower motor resistor, and wiring pigtail at the same time is a reliable repair and prevents failure. 1712-398 is a direct fit replacement for a blower motor resistor with automatic AC. 1712-209 is a direct fit replacement for a blower motor resistor with manual AC, from May 7, 2008. And 1712-040 is a direct fit replacement for a blower motor resistor with manual AC, before May 7, 2008. 1712-341 is a direct fit for a blower motor resistor pigtail with electrical connector with waterproof but connectors. 2311-709 is a direct fit blower motor with a wheel. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.